Jamaica's most wanted men are fleeing to Haiti and Costa Rica.
So I come up on Haiti now. I seem to would kick you on there in Jamaica. Wait till we roll in back, man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Jamaican gangsters are believed to be fleeing the island to other Caribbean and Latin American states in a bid to escape the security forces. This is not a new development, as in the past, some of the island's most wanted men were believed to have fled the island to escape the security forces, laying low for a while before returning to the island. The infamous Duppy film was suspected of fleeing the island to Haiti before returning home. He was killed by cops during a shootout at a St. Thomas guest house in September of 2017. According to head of the St. James Police, Superintendent Vernon Ellis, a number of the men who have fled the island have been killed overseas and their bodies returned to Jamaica for burial. He said these men are fleeing the island by boat because they dread being caught and locked up. St. James gangster Shaniel Luton, who was sentenced to life imprisonment in absentia in 2015 after he escaped police custody while awaiting sentence for a double murder, is believed to have been killed gangland style in Haiti 2 weeks ago, according to reports. Based on information that has come to us, we believe with a high degree of certainty that it is him, said Superintendent Ellis. We are working closely with our Asian counterparts on this one. We have seen pictures, but we are awaiting confirmation by DNA. According to Ellis, Luton has been flagged as a principal player in the illegal guns for drugs trade between Jamaica and its northeastern neighbors, Haiti. Our intelligence has picked up that Luton and a number of other gangsters fled the island after the declaration of the tripartite state of public emergency, which covers St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland. Our information is that some went to Costa Rica and others went to Haiti. The St. James police chief is also probing word that another most wanted suspect, O'Dane Squeeze Brown, was recently murdered in Costa Rica. Delano Wilmot, more popularly known as Preke Boy, who is also on the St. James Police's most wanted list for murders and shootings, including ambushing a Jamaica Defense Force patrol team and shooting 3 soldiers, is also believed to be in Haiti.
Yeah, man. And me, man, Preke, man. They are sending boy a government right now. See all the government for Jamaica. John, what you even know them kill my friend, but everything good. Yo, Crows. You're my friend. Yeah, man, we are teach Jamaica. Government and police them say. It's one of the worst wanted, man. Them go see card. New thing when I get in from Haiti, no dog. So that thing there, it boom up. One shot boom up station and one shot boom up. Then jump out one of them police car them are driving. So them just trying know when me roll in. Different thing. Them feel like them can't kill me. I'm strongly on my over. 3 times this now they make off and I'm dead. Them not see that. Every time they come for me, one of my charge they drop out. Dope them strong here that me feed them with rum. Wait him rolling, man, a different thing. As me charge it. So kick it in the dog. Till I come up on Haiti now. I see him to would kick you on there in Jamaica. Wait till we roll in back, man. And government boy there. Man, I slap him and try guard up in yard with be a military soldier. That man, I tell him.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.